Assalamualaikum and a very good day to our lecturer, Dr. Haliza. Today we would like to present about our expert system, which are mental health monitoring system that focusing on depression, anxiety and stress. So first of all, I would like to introduce our team member, which are project manager Nur Atira binti Suhaidi, software engineer Umi Amira binti Azhar, data analyst Siti Nurliana binti Abdul Malik, and me Nur Emilia binti Muhammad Zain, which is system analyst. So we plan to develop an expert system which are mental health monitoring system that focusing on depression, anxiety and stress. Mental health issues are common in the world. The treatment of mental health issue is a real challenge. This project aims to predict the people who have mental health problem which focus on depression, anxiety and stress to show mental awareness to people. So we want people to realize that mental illness is real and people with mental illness need support. So for the problem statement, the first one is the difficulty of knowing what kind of mental health symptom that have experienced. And the second one, the person who has this mental illness does not aware of the symptom. The third one is they do not know what to do if they have such of mental illness, and most of them are afraid and embarrassed to tell their problem to an expert.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Siti Nurliana binti Abdul Malik with matrix number B0318101140. I am going to discuss about the scope of the project and the expected output. The scope is divided into two, which are system scope and user scope. The system is focusing on three types of mental issues, which are depression, anxiety, and stress. In the user scope, we are targeting anyone who is struggling with mental issue or is curious to learn more about how to take care of their mental health. Next, for the expected output, the user will find mental illness category, symptoms, and action to take in order list. The first output, mental illness category. User will know which category of mental illness they are suffering from. They also will know the level of the mental illness, whether normal, mild, moderate, severe, or extremely severe. The second output, the user will know about their symptoms they are experiencing because the expert system has the ability to trace and detect the symptoms from the data it has received. Also, the action that the system will take is to suggest any step or action the user needs to take to recover from the struggles of mental health.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atira binti Suhaidi. So today I want to present about this slide, which is decision table. There are 21 sets of questions in this decision table. We have separated all the 21 questions into three types of mental health, which is stress, anxiety, and depression. We still combine all of these questions in the system, but we categorize it into each type. As we can see in the slide, question 1 until question 7, the questions or the symptoms is belongs to stress. Question 8 until question 14, the questions refer to anxiety. And the rest of questions refers to depression. The next slide is how the system works. First, the system will display welcome message and ask for person's names. Once the person input their names, the system will save their names into the working memory. Next, the system will display some instructions on how to use the system and prompt person to start or exit the test. The person are allowed to input either S to start or X to exit. If the person's input other than two alphabet, the system will display the instruction again and ask for the person to input the correct one. If the person's input S, then the system start. The system continue with display the first questions and ask the person to answer it. There are only 4 answers that the user can input. either 0, 1, 2 or 3. The system will check if the person's input the correct one or not. If the person input other than 0 or 1 or 2 or 3, the system will display the questions again until the person input the correct answer. If the person input the correct one, the system will continue with the next questions until end of the question, the last questions. End of the questions, the system will calculate total score for every type of mental health. As I mentioned before, we are focusing on mental health, stress, depression and anxiety only. So the system will calculate total score of 3 types of mental health. Next, the system will identify which level of every mental health based on score just now. So the next slide is continue with the flow of the system. The system continue after classify the mental health level. The system will use all the working memory that the person's already answered and display all the score. The system will display all the total score and the system will check if the score equal to 0, the system will display the person does not have mental disorder. If the total score of each mental health more than 0, the system will display the specific mental disorder result for each mental health. After that, the system will display the symptoms of the mental health depends on the result that the person answered just now. After that, the system will display some suggestions or some actions the person may do to decrease their mental health issues. Then the system the end.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Umi Amira. So in this video, I will show you the demonstration of the system. But before that, let me summarize what my friends already discussed before. So, mental health monitoring system is a simple expert system which attempts to identify a person's mental health condition by answering a set of questions. Our system operates by asking indirect questions and scores are given based on answer by the person. The score will then used to indicate the person's mental health level for stress, anxiety and depression, as well as giving them suggestion on what action they should take to help them. Now, I will show you the demonstration of the system. First, I will show how to execute the system using Clips IDE. Open Clips, click Environment, load construct and select your source code, click load. Now the source code has been loaded, so we can reset and run, and then we need to enter our name. After that, it will show you a set of instructions for answering the question. Now to start the test, you need to enter S. Then the system will show you the question that you need to answer. You need to answer every question provided here. The only answer that is accepted by the system is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now I will enter 5, which is not valid answer for the question. The question will be repeated again and again until you enter the correct answer. In this case, let me enter the correct answer that is accepted by the system. For example, 2. And then the system will show you the next question. So you need to answer every question. Let me just answer everything here randomly. Alright, after you finish answering all 21 questions, the system will show your result. The result here consists of your score, your test results, Y, and the suggestion. There are also a table that will be shown here for user reference. Here you can see your score for every type of mental health disorder. The result here is basically to let you know what level of stress, anxiety and depression that you are suffering from. In this section, it will basically show you what are the symptoms that you might have. In every symptoms, it will indicate the question number for you to refer. The last one, the system will show you the suggestion on what action you should take for every type of mental illness. Now, I will show you the result for those who do not have any mental disorder. Enter name. Click S to start and answer all the question. So in this case, let me just answer 0 for every question. Now, this is the result of those who do not have any mental disorder. The results here consist of your score and your test result. There will be no symptom and suggestion that will be shown here. That's it for the demonstration, and I will continue on the slide. As a conclusion, there are a few advantages of our project. The first one is, it is one way that user can diagnose their self by answering question. The second one, the system will identify their mental health level based on auto-calculated score. And the third one, the system will suggest some actions for user depends on their result. There are a few things that we want to update for the future enhancement. The first one is add more other types of mental health disorders to the knowledge base. As for now, we only have anxiety, stress, and depression. So maybe for future, we will add more category of mental illness. The second one is develop a website for make it more attractive and user-friendly system. For now, we only using Clips IDE to execute the system. So for the future, we might want to develop a website to make it easier for person to conduct the test. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.